Okay, ready? Go back to the main menu, go to audio, go to effects. Okay, within Capcut itself, there's already thunder sound. All we need to go is go to ambience, thunder. Let's listen first. Okay, not this one. Next one. Not bad. Let's try the short one. Okay, short one is better. Okay, thunder short version. Click on the plus, tap on the plus button, bring it here. Okay, now let's align the sound effect to the visual. Okay, the lightning got to cover my boom sound already, so you cannot hear me say boom. Move a little bit. Okay, I said boom first. Let's move a little bit earlier. I am adjusting the sound